My name is Chris Sanftenberg, and I'm the head of commercial projects for Vesta. We worked with Bode's custom cabinets in the extensive renovation at the Teraanga Commons Dining Hall for Carleton University. We were contracted to supply, produce, and install stone countertops to complement millwork across various dining stations. This project featured different themed stations including coffee, grill, and salad stations, among others. We used an array of colors from the Corian quartz lineup such as Bianco Dolomite, Neutral Cement, and Snowdrift. Our commercial stone expertise uniquely positions us to provide a gold standard of support and delivery to our construction partners. Our capability is suited to any project, from the custom design plan to the large-scale development. Let us show you how we make it here.